Hi, I'm going to go over how to edit your biography poster template. First thing you want to do is to change the title. So you're going to double click on where it says title. You're going to delete what's there, and then I'm going to type in Abigail Adams because I'm doing a report on her. I'm going to hit enter. It changes to the name that you typed. You can change the font by going up here. So if you wanted to change it to a different font, you can. You can also change the color by going to the fill bucket. So I'm going to change it to a nice purple. You can also change the size by grabbing these little square handles. So I'm going to just pull it wider so it fills the top of my screen. Then you can click right here where it says by your name. So I'm going to double click in there, and then I'm going to type by Mrs. Kennedy. You put your name in there. So the next thing I'm going to walk you through is how to change the background color. So you're going to click anywhere on the white, and then you'll see this button that says background. So I'm going to click on background. Obviously, you can click here and choose any color. I highly recommend a light color, not a dark color. But I'm going to show you a different way. So I'm going to click on choose image, and I'm going to go to uh, Google image search, and I'm going to search purple background, and you can search by any color. Up pops a whole bunch of choices. I highly recommend don't pick something super busy because I'm going to show you what happens if you pick something that's super busy. I'm going to hit done. It really takes over your screen, and then you will not be able to read your text. So I'm going to undo that by doing Control Z. I'm going to go back to the background button, go to choose image again, and there are my other choices. I highly recommend something light. So maybe this light kind of swirl. I'm going to hit done. And then you may have to change the text color of your boxes and so forth. Like I can't read my name. So I'm going to double click here. And up here under A, I'm going to change the text color. So maybe I'm going to do a nice white, and it'll pop up. You can go through and click on each of the text subtitles. Same thing, highlight each of the texts, change the color. So I'm going to make that also a white so that it will pop on your screen so it'll be easier to read. Same thing, you can click on each of these text boxes, delete what's there. You can change the font here. You can change the font size and even the color. So I may want to make this maybe a light yellow. So this is all about her life. So you would type and enter your information in each of one of these boxes. And again, make sure that you can clearly read the text on the poster. Then when you're ready to add pictures, these little picture icons are just placeholders. So you can click on them and delete them out. And then I'm going to go up to the insert image. I'm going to search the web. I'm going to look for, there it is, but you can just do Abigail Adams. And these are the pictures that pop up. Oops, let me do that again. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, search the web, and that's Abigail Adams. And then I like this one, so I'm going to click and drag it into my poster. It'll pop in a second. And then you can move it where you want it. If you click on these blue squares, you can resize it and put it where you want. And then you can go through as well and click on these placeholders, delete those, and add any pictures that you want in those places. Now, if you want the pictures to be at an angle, like if you see these two boxes are at an angle, this little circle at the top will allow you to angle the pictures so that it doesn't have to be completely straight. So if you want to put a smaller picture, like maybe I want to take her, bring it down here, and I want to angle it, you can do that as well to match here. So that is how you would edit your poster. Add appropriate pictures that would complement your poster. Make sure the colors in your text are clear enough. Again, if it's a dark background, a light enough so that you can clearly read the subtitles. You can change the font size too. Make sure your entire text is able to fit in the box so that your teacher can read them. All right, good luck editing your poster.